Hey everybody, and welcome to Out for the Trash. Today we have found a Dyson ball vacuum. I don't know what it's called. It just says it's, here it is. It's a Dyson ball. We got this one out of the trash. We haven't seen if it works. We haven't done anything to it, so we're gonna start looking at it right now. It was out for the trash. So let's first thing, sometimes people throw away vacuum cleaners because they don't know how to clean the filters and stuff in it. So let's see if we can figure out how to clean everything out. All right, so I want to grab the camera, G Junior. Okay, so obviously you push down on this and then this pops out. Let's see. Then I guess this is how it works hands-free. This, it looks like it pushes this. So when you push this, it pops the door open. So you can pop the door open and drain stuff in it. Let's see what's in there. What do you got in there? Just a bunch of dust?
Just dust.
All right,
dust.
Usage. All right, and then it says something here. There's instructions. Push the button, you pull it out. Oh, then the handle comes back and there's a filter in there. You wash the filter. You give it 24 hours to dry. And then there must be another filter in the bottom of it. We'll worry about that later. So let's see if we can figure out how to get the top open. Here we go. Lift here, it says filter. Oh, look, there's a filter right there. It actually looks pretty clean. Doesn't that look pretty clean?
Yeah.
Pretty clean.
Looks
what
like
about down in here? Pretty clean. Okay, well, we'll probably take and wash this all off. So that goes back like that. So now, oh, didn't clip. Okay. So now this obviously meets up to that, and that goes there. All right. So then this just, hey, back in. All right, so as you can see, we haven't plugged it in. The cord is here, and it's unplugged. And we can plug it into our fan because it's hot today, very hot, very humid. Okay, we're plugged in, and it looks like you push this button. It works. So my question is why is this sucking here? All right, let's see the brushes work. On and off. When you tilt it, it no longer has suction there. Oh, the brushes are working. Oh, okay. So then you flip this up, it cuts the brush off, and then this in here, you lift up. How do you get this disconnected? Oh, look at that. It's got good suction. And now, extends. And then this extends out of here. But we're missing the attachment that plugs in. All right, so that's pretty neat. So then this thing, you push the red button, that goes back down in there. And then that slides there, that slides there. That's for the cord. That flips there. Is there like a, how do you suppose, I guess you just do it like that. And then you could cut the, yes, and then you can cut the bristles on and off. So it looks like we have a perfectly good vacuum cleaner. The only thing it's missing is we're missing some tool that plugs into here. Let's cut this thing off. All right, so I think what we're gonna do, it kind of smells like dog. So I think we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna, look at all the gunk in there. I think we're gonna go ahead and take this all apart, and we're gonna hose everything down with the hose and clean it up real good. Our shop vac at work is getting ready to take a poop, so I think this will be a good addition to the vacuum cleaners we have at work. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching my Dyson ball video. Oh, wait, no, wait, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Grab the camera, we're not done yet. We forgot to check the,
what is that?
There's a filter in here.
Oh.
So do you just unscrew this? Yes, this unscrews. And then there's another filter here. It's a little dirty, but not too bad. Let me see. Can you wash this one? Oh, you can also wash this one. Wash it with water, let it rinse, let it dry for 24 hours, and you put it back in. So we will also wash. We are going to take everything apart, and we are going to wash. Where's the other round filter? Did it fall on the ground? Or is it still in there? Oh. We are going to take and wash all the pieces to try to get the dog smell out of it. And we will have a new vacuum cleaner for work. All right, everybody. Well, I guess I'll leave it at this one. We're also going to get in here and we're going to clean the bristle out. It's got a lot of nasty hair in there. That I don't know how it comes apart, but we'll get in there and cut some of the hair out. All right, everybody. So we have a new vacuum cleaner for work. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching my out for the trash video. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. And you can always subscribe right there in that corner. Thanks a lot for watching.